the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG G6 on Boost Mobile, guys. So if you guys switch to Boost Mobile, y'all guys can get the G6 for $49.99. So this is a great deal if you guys are looking for a new phone on Boost Mobile. If you guys are a new customer to Boost Mobile, put your number over to Boost Mobile and you guys can get a LG G6 for $49.99, and I think this is a great deal. This deal is insane. The LG G6 was LG's flagship phone for 2017. It still has pretty good specs on it for what it is in 2018 and almost 2019. So for $49.99, y'all guys cannot go wrong for an LG G6 for $49.99. Y'all guys cannot go wrong. Trust me, y'all guys cannot go wrong. This is a fucking insane deal that Boost Mobile has. If you guys switch to Boost Mobile, y'all guys can get a G6 for $49.99. What's wrong with that? So I mean, this is a great deal. It's worth checking out. It's for a limited time offer, and I believe you had to get to a Boost Mobile store and do that. So if you guys are looking to get a new phone and a new carrier, check out Boost Mobile's deal here with the LG G6 $49.99 when you guys switch to Boost. So that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.